Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Pramod and this is another CompTIA Security Plus real exam question series, and this part is also very helpful to pass the CompTIA Security Plus exams. So let's go to the questions, and this is the question. A security consultant needs secure remote access to a client environment. So which of the following should the security consultant most likely use to gain access? Option A, EAP, option B, DSCP, option C, IPSec, option D, NAT. And the correct answer for this question is option C, IPSec. So let's check the explanation for this answer. A security consultant would most likely use IPSec to gain secure remote access to a client environment, because this is a cryptographic protocol suite that provides secure communication over IP networks. It can be used to create virtual private networks which allow secure remote access. VPNs encrypt and authenticate data packets, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and protection from replay attacks. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, IPSec. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, which of the following should a system administrator use to ensure an easy deployment of resources within the cloud provider? Option A, software as a service. Option B, infrastructure as a code. Option C, Internet of Things. Option D, software defined networking. And the correct answer for this question is option B, infrastructure as a code. So let's check the explanation. So infrastructure as a code allows administrators to define and manage cloud infrastructure through text files, enabling automated provision and deployment of servers, networks, and other resources, making it ideal for easy and consistent deployment within a cloud provider. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B, infrastructure as a code. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, after a security awareness training session, a user called IT help desk and reported a suspicious call. The suspicious caller stated that the chief financial officer wanted credit card information in order to close an invoice. So which of the following topics did the user recognize from the training? Option A, insider threat. Option B, email phishing. Option C, social engineering. Option D, execute whaling. And the correct answer for this question is option C, social engineering. So let's check the explanation. So social engineering is a technique where attackers manipulate users into revealing sensitive information by pretending to be someone trustworthy, like the CEO or CFO in this case. The training likely covered recognizing these tactics and reporting suspicious interactions. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, social engineering. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a security administrator is deploying a DLP solution to prevent exfiltration of sensitive customer data. So which of the following should the administrator do first? Option A, block access to cloud storage websites. Option B, create a rule to block outgoing email attachments. Option C, apply classifications to the data. Option D, remove all user permissions from shares on the file server. And the correct answer for this question is option C, apply classifications to the data. So let's check the explanation. The first step a security administrator should take when deploying a DLP solution is to C, apply classifications to the data, because this allows the DLP system to identify which data is considered sensitive and needs to be monitored and protected from exfiltration. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, apply classifications to the data. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, an administrator assists the legal and compliance team with ensuring information about customer transactions is archived for the proper time period. So which of the following data policies is the administrator carrying out? Option A, compromise. Option B, retention. Option C, analysis. Option D, transfer. Option E, inventory. And the correct answer for this question is option B, retention. So let's check the explanation. The administrator is carrying out a retention data policy by ensuring customer transaction information is archived for the proper time period. And a retention, this data policy refers to the practice of storing data for a specified period based on legal requirements, business needs, or compliance regulations. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B, retention. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a company is working with a vendor to perform a penetration test. So which of the following includes an estimate about the number of hours required to complete the engagement? Option A, SOW, option B, BPA, option C, CLA, SLA, option D, NDA. And the correct answer for this question is option A, a statement of work. So let's check the explanation. A statement of work is a document that includes an estimate about the number of hours required to complete a penetration test. This document outlines the scope, timeline, deliverables, and cost of a project, including details like the estimated number of hours needed for completion. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option A, a statement of work. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a chief information security officer wants to explicitly raise awareness about the increase of ransomware as a service in a report to the management team. So which of the following best describe the threat actor in the CISO's report? And the option A is insider threat, option B is activist, option C nation state, option D organized crime. And the correct answer for this question is option D, organized crime. So let's check the explanation. So ransomware as a service is a business model where cyber criminals can rent out ransomware kits to others, making it easier for individuals with less technical expertise to launch ransomware attacks. This model is typically associated with the organized crime groups as it allows them to scale their operations and recruit a large network of affiliates to carry out attacks. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option D, organized crime. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, which of the following practices would be best to prevent an insider from introducing malicious code into a company's development process? Option A, code scanning for vulnerabilities. Option B, open source component uses. Option C, quality assurance testing. Option D, peer review and approval. And the correct answer for this question is option D, peer review and approval. So let's check the explanation. Peer review and approval is the best practice to prevent an insider from introducing malicious code into a company's development process because it involves multiple people with different perspectives reviewing and approving the code, so which can catch potential issues that might be missed by a single developer. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option D, peer review and approval. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, which of the following can best protect against an employee inadvertently installing malware on company system? Option A, host-based firewall. Option B, system isolation. Option C, least privilege. Option D, application allow list. And the correct answer for this question is application allow list. So let's check the explanation. The application allow list, the security measures only permits pre-approved applications to run on a system, effectively blocking any unknown or potentially malicious software from being executed. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option D, application allow list. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, a company is adding a clause to its AUP that states employees are not allowed to modify the operating system on mobile devices. Which of the following vulnerabilities is the organization addressing? Option A, cross-site scripting. Option B, buffer overflow. Option C, jailbreaking. Option D, side loading. And the correct answer for this question is option C, jailbreaking. So the jailbreaking by preventing employees from modifying the operating system on their mobile devices, and jailbreaking allows for unauthorized modifications to the system which can introduce security risks. refers to the process of modifying the operating system on a mobile devices to gain administrative privileges, often allowing users to install unauthorized applications or bypass security restrictions. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, jailbreaking. So I hope you're enjoying this video and this part has been completed. So study hard, good luck and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel to see more video like this. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.